is not just for me. All my brothers back home in Japan,
Yeah.
they see this.
Okay, you're representing RWB.
This is the first time RWB display at Car Week. First time RWB display at the Quail. First. Built by legends. Ohayou gozaimasu.
You're here again.
One more time. Riko desu.
Yoshi.
Riko desu.
Very nice.
Great to see you again.
Riko desu. Yes. So bringing Riko style to the Quail.
Custom coach work. Very nice.
So this is the second year that I do display for the Quail. So last year I had the 72 IMSA race car 240Z Zeto. So I had the Zeto here last year, and this year I brought the Porsche.
Very nice.
Porsche. So to share, you know, it's, remember like we talked at SEMA, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not just for me. All my brothers back home in Japan,
Yeah.
they see this.
Okay, you're representing RWB.
This is the first time RWB display at Car Week. First time RWB display at the Quail. First. Never before. Never. There's Porsches here, yes. 75th anniversary, right? But for an RWB from Nakai-san, from Kashiwashi, to be on display at the it's so special.
Yeah, that is.
It's so special, and I want all my friends all over the world, my Japanese brothers, right, to see that, like, hey,
Yeah, I was like,
that's Riko with the Yoshiwara Yukaku. Crazy, crazy Riko.
this is nice.
So it means a lot.
Nice.
So for this show, we decided to do special adjustments. So now we have the sliders, okay, and then we redid the roof completely. So the roof has been redone. Yeah, it's all Lexus.
So you intentionally make this concave?
Yes, yeah. So like the two cockpit, you know, like the GT40, like GT40. You know they have for the helmet. Yeah. I like it. I like that. I like that. I like that. Now please. どうぞ。どうぞ。どうぞ。どうぞ。
Hi.
Yeah, so it's a fixed position for my height. Let me get him in the passenger seat. So remember, everything is so important to me. Remember we talked about having the Japanese seats, seat belts. I work with JC Pepino-san from work, you know, Boon-san from Brit, USA in Los Angeles.
See that?
So it's so important to me to represent my brothers. You know, it's not just me. It's all my family that we work wheels at the Quail.
That's crazy.
From Osaka to here, right?
I bet Nakai-san's really happy to see his car on the lawn.
I hope so. I hope so. It'll be my dream.
Did you send him a picture?
I will. He knows that I like the SEMA show. He understands. It was so important, the SEMA show, because at that time he had not traveled. To show him, I tell him, I says, you know, Nakai-san, it's not just for me. It's not just for me. It's for you and everybody. I want everybody to know RWB is still alive. He says, I got you, Riko. And so for New Year party for Auto Salon, I heavily help him organize, set up the New Year party. I went to his shop, go see him. How are you doing? How can we help? I help MC the party and do everything for him. And after the party, we went to go have dinner, and he says, Riko, I think it's coming back.